Let me show you how easy it is to take a screenshot on your MacBook Air. So here I am, and I'm going to press a keyboard shortcut. Command-Shift number 3. You need to press it all together. And you will see the screenshot was captured. You got preview here at the bottom right corner by default, but you don't need to click on it. Click on it only if you plan to make any notation on it quickly. But if you just want to keep the screenshot, after a few seconds it will go from this preview to your desktop, when you can see all of your screenshots. So that's the default location for screenshots on Mac, the desktop. Alright, so that's the screenshot of the whole screen. What if you want to take a small screenshot of only area of your screen? In that case, press Command-Shift number 4. And now you got this drawing tool and you can draw a smaller area of your screen. And now we got a screenshot only of that, and this time I will not click on it, and take a look. After a few seconds it will disappear. And it's in our desktop already. Alright, and there's one more option for us when we can see exactly what we're going to do next. So kind of the capture screen menu. To indicate this capture screen menu, press Command-Shift number 5 this time. And take a look. We got this capture screen menu, and we can decide they want to make a screenshot of entire screen, screenshot of selected window, screenshot of the area that we point ourselves, or we can even record the screen or record the area if we need. So that can be additional feature if you want something to be kind of recorded as the video, not as just image. All right. So in that case, if you click this, capture selected portion of the screen, you got the capture of this portion of the screen. And if you click the first button here, capture entire screen, you must click and done. Here it is. Alright, so there are keyboard shortcuts that we need to remember. You're pressing it together, Command and Shift, and then number 3, the whole screen, number 4, part of the screen, and then number 5 give you this whole menu that you can kind of select yourself. Alright, that's how easy it is to capture your screen on MacBook Air. See you in the next video.